I'm Sanjay from Smart Magazine. This is Adobe Photoshop lesson number 4. Before we begin, it's important that we understand the difference between creating a new document in Photoshop and opening an existing image into Photoshop. When we create a new Photoshop document, we create what is essentially a blank canvas. Then we can import images, graphics or other assets into it. Opening images is different from creating new documents, since the image itself determines the document's size. The way to create a new Photoshop document is by going up to the File menu in the menu bar and choosing New. Or you can press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+N. In the New Document dialog box, give a name to the document in here or just leave it as it is. The details of the preset appear in the Preset option. You can select the preset as you prefer from these options. Or simply you can select the custom and change the settings as you prefer for width, height, resolution, etc. You can change the units as well to pixels, inches, centimeters, or as you prefer. You can also enter a custom resolution value for the document into the resolution field. But keep in mind that resolution applies only to print. It has no effect on images being viewed online or on any type of screen. You can set the color mode and bit depth for your new document. In most cases, the default settings, RGB color and 8-bit, are what you need, but you can choose other values if you need them. Other options you can safely leave at the defaults. Also, you can save your custom preset using Save Preset option if you want. Now click OK to open a new document. This is the way how you can create a new document. Second thing is opening a new image. The more traditional way to open an image in Photoshop is by going up to the File menu in the menu bar and choosing Open. Or you can press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+O. This opens the File Explorer, and from that select the image you preferred and double-click or click Open. Then Photoshop will open the image. To close an image or new document you created without closing any other photos you've opened, first select the image or document you want to close by clicking its tab. Then, go up to the File menu and choose Close. This is how you can open an image to Photoshop or create a new document and then close. See the video again and get the things into the mind. That's all for today. See you in the next lesson. Finally, don't forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon aside to get the smart notifications as soon as we added a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.